here where the grass grows wild and high, where the mud runs deep and the hawks still fly. I got a toy that ain't no joke, hand-welded steel, I built it woke. She's black as coal with a four-wheel drive, climbs them hills like a beast alive. Ain't no John Deere, no store-bought ride, it's Rip, my mowing pride. Rip, tear it up, watch him roll, remote in hand, I'm in control. Tank on wheels, cutting clean and mean, best looking rig you've ever seen. From the country, born to build, sparks flying, dreams fulfilled. He don't stop, he don't quit, that lawn's getting trimmed by Rip. Chrome dark plates and them custom tires, crawling like a bear through them briar fires. Neighbors stop, say, boy, what's that? I just smile, tip my cap. Ain't no cable, just pure RC. Watch it rip more smooth and free. Built from scratch with my own two hands. That's the pride of a countryman. Rip, tear it up, watch him roll. Remote in hand, I'm in control. Tank on wheels, cutting clean and mean. Best looking rig you've ever seen. From the country, born to build, with sparks flying, dreams fulfilled. He don't stop, he don't quit, that lawn's getting trimmed by Rip. It's more than mowing, it's a show, on them steep hills, watch him go. Black paint gleaming in the sun, this kind of work's just pure fun. Rip, tear it up, watch him roll. Country boy got full control. Crafted tough, he's steel and pride. Rolling strong, countryside style.